V-neck, yellow top missing. Yup, that stuff looked like a toupee. I get what you get in 10 years, in 2 days.
Ladies love me, I'm on my cool J. If you get what I get,
what would you say? He whacks it on and off, Mr. Miyagi. And them suicide doors, Ari-kari. Look at me now, look at me now. I'm getting paper, look at me now, look at me now. Yeah. Fresh than a what? Little figure bigger than gorilla, cause I'm killing every jigger that try to be on my stuff. Better cuff your man if you win him, I can get him cause he accidentally slip and fall on my crack. Oops, I said on my crack. I didn't really mean to say on my crack. But since we talking about my crack, all you haters say hi to that. I'm done. No, really though, I'm not done.
let's go.
Cause I'm feeling like I'm running and I'm feeling like I gotta get away. But I know that I don't and I won't ever stop, cause you know I gotta win every day. See, they don't really wanna pop me. Just know that you will never stop me. And I know that I can be a little cocky. Oh, you ain't never gonna flop me. Every time I come a jigga gotta set it, then I gotta go, and then I gotta get it, then I gotta blow, and then I gotta shatter any little thing a jigga think it be doing, cause it doesn't matter. Cause now I move a little fella jigga, better color rep, and everybody know my style. Jigga know that I'm the best. When I come, I'm doing this, and I be banging on my chest, and I bang in the east, and I bang in the west, and I come to give you more, and I will never give you less. You will hear it in the street, or you can read it in the press. Do you really wanna know what's next? See the way we on it when we all up in the race, and you know we gotta go, don't try to keep up with the pace, and we struggling and hustling and sending it and getting it, and always gotta do it, take it to another place, gotta taste it, and I gotta grab it, and I gotta cut through all this traffic just to be at the top of the throne. Gotta know I gotta have it, Look at me now, look at me now. I'm getting paper. Look at me now, look at me now. Yeah. Fresh than a what? Man, forget these haters. How y'all doing? I'm Lil Tunchi. I'm a nuisance. I go stupid. I go dumb like the Three Stooges. I don't eat sushi. I'm the stuff. No pollution, no substitution. Now I'm chilling, playing movies in my jacuzzi. Fruit is juicy. I never give a damn about a hater. Got money on my radar. Dressed like a skater. Got a big house, came with an elevator. You niggas ain't eating. Go tell a waiter. Molly said shoot him, and I said okay. You on that bullshit? I'm like Olay. Don't care what you say, so don't even speak. Your boyfriend a freak like Cirque du Soleil. That's word to my flag, and my flag red. I'm out of my head. Yo, I'm out of my mind. From the bottom I climb. You ain't harder than mine. Nope, not on my time. Not even trying. What's poppin' slime? Nothing vibing. If they trippin', forgetting five. Ain't got no time to shuck and jive. These chickas as sweet as pumpkin pie. So rockin' Sprite on a private flight. Yo, I've been Tyson's guiding light. And my pocket's white, my diamond's white. My mama's nice and my daddy's gone. Yo, peace be scared cause I'm too wild. Been here for a while. I was like, no try. I put sit down. I'm so young money. You got eyes. Look at me now. Oh, look at me now. Look at me now. Oh. I'm getting paper. Look at me now. Look at me now. Yeah. Fresh than mud. What? Okay. Is that right? I'm fresh than a mud. What?